Hey guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So we have got a Toyota Fortuner to get it completely light upgraded. So this is a top end model. It comes with a molded headlight. So what we are going to do over here is we are going to completely change it to removing an existing headlight, and we are going to add a headlight projector. So this was the headlight projector which was there from the company. So we have completely replaced with. So this is the projector which we have added now. So the look does not get changed and you get the higher brightness, which we have used around 120 watts of projector to it. And even on fog, customer had previously put up projectors which was not giving much brightness. So we are going to change with 100 watts projector to it. So guys, this was the old projector. So what they have actually done is they have just added an LED bulb and they have put a projector. So now what we have done is we have completely replaced with a molded projector with 100 watts. Let's go and check it out how the process is done and we can see the output. So if you guys wanted to get a car upgraded with good quality projectors on your headlights and fog lights, please reach out to RSCARPREMIUM.